Hello and welcome. My name's Adam Pratt, and this is another Chaos to Memories course. We all have physical photos, home movies, and digital photos that are important to us. These are just a few photos from my family photo archive, including the day my parents brought me home from the hospital, shaving with my dad, a family portrait from my childhood, a missions trip to Africa, marrying my high school sweetheart, and my own family. All my family photos back to the year 1904 are scanned, sorted, safe, and searchable. We take photos to remember the people, experiences, places, and memories that we love. But the number one word that people use to describe their family photos is overwhelmed. This makes me so mad, but we can help. At Chaos to Memories, we work with clients across the U.S. and around the world. We help families preserve their memories, tell their story, and connect with the people they love. I think the best way to sum this up is that we capture photos to remember and be remembered. This phrase is so important to me that I have it embossed on the inside of my laptop bag, so I see it every day that I go to the studio. In this course, you'll learn about topics including archival best practices, technology solutions, digital formats, and photo scanning. These are all important aspects of organizing photos, but not as important as remembering your why. What's your reason for completing this project? You need to know your why so that you can stay motivated for this big and important project. For example, are you looking forward to a graduation? Maybe you're planning a wedding. Celebrating a retirement? Do you want to protect your memories against natural disasters like wildfires? Or maybe you're thinking long term and you want to make sure your grandchildren know where they came from. Remembering why your memories are important helps you get to the finish line. In the next lesson, I'll show you some sample projects and what's possible with the workflow that you'll learn in this course.